Yeah, well, I think it's really important to teach people, in fact, about the underlying principles of the GDPR, because the GDPR offers you a framework that allows you to make your own choices in order to process data. And if you understand the underlying principles, then I think it's rather easy to implement the GDPR. So, yeah. I think what is really encouraging people to start implementing the GDPR is in the end defines the possibility to fine organizations, which is incorporated in the GDPR. So it means a 4% fine of your annual turnover, or 20 million if that's a higher amount. But at the end, I think the most important thing is that the management board is personally liable for not acting in compliance with GDPR. And I think that's why management board is getting really anxious. And that's why we all have to deal with GDPR, because the management board is anxious, and they should be, so that's okay. People are really panicking about GDPR, and they state, okay, we should do something with GDPR, and we should start now. And okay, is there a list what we should do? And then that's very difficult because there is no list. It comes down to leadership, to a strategy, to a vision. How do you want to use data in your company? What is the value of your data in your company? And that's just very, very difficult. Well, I think that these sessions can help make data scientists understand the principles of GDPR, and then also make them available to talk about the value of data, and also the possibilities to of the use of data. I think it's very helpful to have these more or less awareness sessions then. I think GoDataFest is brilliant in the sense that we all have to work together, and therefore we all have to learn from each other. So what I saw from the program, it's a broad perspective of different topics, which started with the legal topic. So I think that's great, and also for us legal people, we have to learn more about different topics. So GoDataFest, I think it's great.